Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to Tempo Time. The summer has come and gone, and we are in the final stages of getting this 1985 Ford Tempo that looks just like a fleet car from the 80s back on the road just in time for the snow to happen. That's all right. We're going to turn it into a rear-wheel drive. We're going to cam it. I forgot this plan. This is very early. We already had this plan. It was the blah, 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 blah. But we are going to finish this Tempo, get it off the lift, and all of the stuff that we had planned to do to our regular cars over the summer, we're going to finally get to doing. So this video is not going to end until that car is out of here and moving under its own power. Let's get into it. Okay, folks, if you're just joining us, we got this 1985 Ford Tempo off of Facebook Marketplace thinking it was going to be a weekend project. It was a little bit more than a weekend project. Lots of rusty components underneath the car. The body and the paint and the interior are excellent. This car is a time capsule. It just has lots of neglected maintenance, and it sat outside for quite a bit on gravel, and I think that did a number on the bottom. So we had to replace a lot of the underside of the car. Lots of hard lines had to be replaced, and we took all this apart, blasted it, painted it, all new brake components, all of that kind of stuff. Booyah! Alright, finally, 2 races. None of them are dicked up. Son of a bitch. Turn left and off. All the way till the next cut. This took 4 days. We edited that part out. $700. Looks important.
What is it? Found 3. What are they? Like little lock washers? Or
they're not. No, they're little cylinders. They're not even washers.
Oh, they're like. They look like what's left of locating pins.
Here's another one right here.
Yep.
2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're looking for 9. Okay, got that one.
The biggest concern is that they're down in these
That's
or holes.
Yep, I have the same concern. Is it this? I think it might be this.
Engine seems like it's smoothing out a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. There it goes. There it goes.
You have brakes?
Yeah. I think we should go to the park.
Agreed.
Ooh, do we have... That's perfect.
Yep. This is momentous.
This is happening. I want her to see us.
Oh, look at you guys.
We're taking it to the gas station for the first time. Wish us luck. Weekend project. Yeah, the weekend project that took 6 months. Oh, she's peppy.
Oh yeah. How's the alignment?
I'm not great. Not great. Neither are the tires.
I feel like we've done this movie before. Yeah, that's definitely it's low on fuel.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah. And who knows what quality the fuel is, right? Like, oh yeah, there's no power, no power, no power, no power.
it doesn't like
Because we went uphill, no? Oh boy. Sorry, buddy. I'm not stopping.
We're not
stopping for you.
This uphill is going to be the.
All right, I'm giving it all she's got because we're coasting on it. Brake lights need to be bled again. Oh yeah, she just died.
Just take it easy. Remember, these tires are like
Yeah.
a half bump away from just disintegrating.
Tomorrow for sure.
Here's the first time in decades that a Tempo has been parked next to a C4 Corvette.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yep.
There you
it
have
is. Trustworthy at all.
What do you think? Should we go over to the Bean?
Oh, we definitely. What time is it? Is
It's-
it bean time? That's not right. It's
Well, we got here at 10 o'clock,
so it's got to be 10:30 or so, right?
yeah, it's totally Bean time.
Yeah. God. So, disaster has struck.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah, she's toast.
There is, in fact, a jack and a spare.
Is there air in the spare?
I don't know. gonna do it for this episode of Tempo Time. God.
Spare. Check the tire pressure in your spare.
The sidewalls of this tire just.
Oh, it's fucking.
Fucking.
Like, I mean, there's,
Yeah.
And the other three can't be far behind.
There's some air in there. Gonna give those lugs a.
Yeah. Okay. We're on the road again. Thanks, Keegan's wife.
Thanks, Jen.
This time, we're going straight to the tire store.
Will we make it? Stop! Don't stop! Don't stop!
Yeah. Okay, we're like 100 yards from the tire shop.